Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. High-powered AC motor. Professional quality motor lasts up to 3x longer versus a DC motor dryer. All hair types. 2 heat, speed settings for precise styling. And cold shot button releases cold air to lock in style. Ceramic coating. Helps reduce damage over styling with even heat distribution, making styling fast and easy. Ionic technology. Gives you the power to create a salon-styled finish. Less frizz. For shiny, healthy-looking hair. Precision. Added concentrator and volumizing finger diffuser attachments give you maximum precision for truly customized hairstyles. Please note, wattage of this appliance may vary depending on the location of use. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Damage protection hair dryer for shiny, healthy hair. 3x more protection with advanced coating technology. Healthier hair with proprietary micro-conditioner technology. 1875 watt for fast drying power. Ceramic ionic tourmaline grill for faster drying with less frizz. Power 60 Hz. 125 vac. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Travel hair dryer. This dryer features a folding handle for compact storage, making it easy to pack in a suitcase or carry-on bag or store in a drawer. With dual voltage, it's perfect for worldwide travel. Compact portable design, backed by 1875 watts of drying power. Dual voltage and an ergonomic folding handle. This compact, lightweight and portable hairdryer is ready to join you on your journey. Versatile styling, with 2 heat and 2 speed settings. This blow dryer was created for all hair types, and it features a cool shot button to help lock curls, waves and styles in place. Leader in hair dryers. From traditional bonnets to high-tech dryers equipped with cutting-edge technology, Conair has a great selection of hair dryers for every hair type and every hairstyle. Conair Hair Care. Since 1959, we have made innovative small appliances, hair styling tools, and more. Our hair care line includes high-quality hair dryers, brushes, styling tools, and hair accessories. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Full-size hair dryer, featuring tourmaline ceramic technology plus frizz-fighting conditioning irons for less damage and more shine. This hairdryer provides uniform heat for fast drying and less damage. Superior function. A cool shot button locks hairstyles in place, and rocker switches make for easy handling. Includes 3 heat, 2-speed custom dryer settings for different hair types. A removable filter prevents lint buildup. Extending motor life. Ionic conditioning. Natural ion output helps fight frizz and bring out your hair's natural shine. A concentrator nozzle is included for focused airflow to make hair smooth and sleek. The outer surface of the dryer should be wiped clean with a cloth only. Leader in hair dryers. From traditional bonnets to high-tech dryers equipped with cutting-edge technology, Conair has a great selection of hair dryers for every hair type and every hairstyle. Conair Hair Care. Since 1959, we have made innovative small appliances, hair styling tools, and more. Our hair care line includes high-quality hair dryers, brushes, styling tools, and hair accessories.